Hello traders, just a quick video to install anything on this YouTube channel. If you are looking at a shared link, it'll start with tos.mx and you want to install it. I know that this is a scan, so I know I'm installing a scan. You could have a shared link for this label, you could have a shared link for this. Pay attention to what you're trying to install. You copy that link. I'll move this out of the way for now. And you go to Setup, and you go Open Shared Item. Click in the box, hit Control V as in Victor on your keyboard, and it'll paste it. Then you preview it and make note of the name so that you know what you're looking for. And you click Import and OK. I'm not going to do that for now. And since it's a scan, I'm going to go over to my Market Watch tab. Right here you can select any of your scans, and there's the one we just imported. Since we are on the watch list, let's go ahead and do the install on the V-Spike indicator. You would copy the code. Just highlight it all and click copy. Over in the Market Watch tab, you're going to click this little gear icon and click Customize. Over in this box, you're going to type Custom and hit Enter. And you should have some available customs. I don't. Click the first one that's available and move it over to this side. Now let's just assume this is your custom. You click the little tablet by it. This window is going to pop up. You're not going to have all of this in yours, but you'll have some type of code. Just delete the code that's in it. And I'll do it for now. Then right click and paste. And that code should appear with no errors. The errors will pop up down here. You're going to name it V-Spike or Volume Spike or whatever you want to call it. Set it to 1 minute. Make sure this box is checked. Click Apply and OK. And it will appear right here in your watch list column. The next thing, if you are trying to install the V4 setup, it comes with all of the indicators that you see in this top square. You would copy that code and get to the top. Make sure you don't miss any of the code. Just don't copy the copy below here and above here part of it. We copy the code all the way down to that last semicolon. It matters. Right click and copy. You're going to go to Studies, Edit Studies, and you're going to click Create, and you're going to paste that code right in here, and it should find everything, and you should not have any errors. Up here, call it Pullback Version 4, and you're going to click OK and Apply. Whatever pops up, just work your way through it. I've already installed it. And you'll see it over here on this side. It may not be on your chart yet. Whatever the name of it was, mine's called RG Pullback. You can pick a word in that list and probably find it. So I typed in pullback because there's a word. You double click it and it will move it over to your chart. You click Apply and OK. And that's all you do to get it installed. It'll pop up here in your chart just like this. This volume label is a shared link. You would do it the same way as I explained in Open Shared Links. You would copy that code, hit Control V, paste it in here, preview it and import it. And if it's not at the bottom of your chart, then you go to Studies, Edit Studies, look for the volume indicator. I think it's called Custom Volume Label. Probably this one here. Double click it and move it over to your chart. It'll be in the lower. Click Apply and OK. And it should show up down here on the bottom. If it looks like this, you can just put your mouse here until you get that little indicator. Pull it on down. Once you get everything installed, go up here to Setup, save the workspace as, and call it Pullback version 4. If you ever lose it, you can always go to Setup, and it's going to be listed right down here. You can just click on it and go right back to your setup. It'll be right back for you. And that's all there is to installing these scripts. Every one of them is either a script, a shared link, etc. If you have any trouble, go on over to Discord, click on support, and let me know. We'll help you out. God bless.